Hello, good morning, and welcome everyone to today's live trading session on Monday, July 18 from 2022, 9:24 a.m., less than 6 minutes for the market to open. Hope that you all had a great weekend, some time to relax, to rest a little bit, have some fun, enjoy the summertime, and getting ready for a new day, new week ahead. And let's try to figure out where the market is going next. So before we start, if you missed the message from July 10, I remind you again today that I will not be trading next week. I'll be taking some days off next week. But I'll be back. We will be trading the rest of this week, so let's focus on this week. So starting with the action and looking for the futures, we are seeing Nasdaq futures right now, and we are seeing some fading from the pre-market action, but things still bullish. Okay, still bullish, but some profit taking from the pre-market highs. So what I'll be paying very closely attention to Nasdaq if it's going to hold this support line. Okay, bulls need to push above and go and make new highs on the session and resume higher. That's for the bull case continuation. Bears need to push price below the support line and going into the next level, and maybe some profit taking to fill the gap, the morning gap. The morning gaps that we are seeing plenty of gaps. Apple was gapping up, no longer gapping up, pretty much back into the Friday highs. So I'll be also watching Apple if it's able to go back above 151. It was above 151 this morning, faded a bit. If it goes back above 151, has room to go into 154, 155. But if it not able to break above 151, you watch 150, you watch 148 as the support levels. AMD, it will be also a focus. It was a nice run on AMD. We have AMD at 73, okay, at $73, and I trimmed some before the market opened at above 82. We are at 82 plus this morning, so keep trimming your gains. We are going to have the earnings on AMD at 2nd of August, so keep trimming your profits on the way, and congratulations. Amazon, I'll be watching Amazon. 115 is a big level. I want to see if it's able to go and stay above Friday highs. If yes, can extend into 117. That's next level. Above that, 118. So those will be the supply zones. But if they push back below 115, you have 113 and 112 as the key supports for now on Amazon. Boeing is also gapping up this morning. If you are long, congratulations. In my opinion, you should be trimming most of your gains. 153 plus this morning. We have a gap to fill at 149.7. So if it goes back below 153, okay, so 153, it will be my support level. If it breaks below, looking for to fill the gap at 149.73, something to keep on watch. Coin last week on Friday we played some longs, but we closed as the market stalled. Happy to see nice follow through continuation already this morning above Friday highs. So congratulations to the longs. If it extends above 57, has room to go into 60, $62. So also keeping coin on watch. Less than 2 minutes for the market open, guys. IWM is also gapping up this morning at 174.9. I want to see 175 is a level, okay? I want to see if it's able to go above 175, can go into 177, 178, but if not able to go above 175, you should be looking for a gap to fill at 173.3. So I'll keep my eyes also. Also on Meta, gapping up this morning, has 2 gaps to fill. Okay, it's at 166. What I want to see, if it holds 166, if it goes as a gap to fill at 168.15. But if it fails below 166, looking for 164.98 gap to fill. Okay, so keeping my eyes here also on Meta. Microsoft, it was amazing last week. On Tuesday we played short with some puts on IWM. I received emails from traders that opened with me at puts at 80 cents. They closed the next day above 7. Congratulations. On Thursday, we bought calls on Microsoft playing for the oversold bounce. That worked well also. So congratulations, everyone. NVDA is gapping up this morning. I want to see 162. In my opinion, you should be trimming most of your gains and go back, raises the stops and keep riding. But big gap up this morning can fade a little bit into the morning gap. So 15 seconds for the market to open, entering trading mode. Ten, 5, good luck guys. So the market opened with a big gap up. If you are long, you should be trimming your gains in my opinion. Careful chasing the moves here, some fading. Okay, some fading. If you are long, you should be trimming some of your gains. NVIDIA fading. Apple some fading. Apple filling the gap. Apple fading. Apple fill the gap, trying to push higher. Okay, they keep trying to push, but be careful guys, be careful. I got some puts on Apple. Some fading. Small. Small on Apple. Seems that they keep pushing higher. Yeah, they keep squeezing coin pushing higher. Coin, some bull flow on coin. Okay, not chasing the move here. Coin very strong. Okay, they keep pushing. They keep pushing. I'm not chasing these moves. Okay, Microsoft trying to bounce. Okay, I had some more on Apple. Let's see if it fades. But they keep squeezing. They keep squeezing. Amazon going. Amazon going. Amazon going. I have on Apple short. I head to the Apple short. Apple coming. Apple coming. We are short on Apple for now. Trimming some on Apple. Coin $60 from last week target. Apple fading. Okay, trying to be patient here with Apple. I got some puts on IWM. Apple coming. I have on IWM. I have on IWM. Apple fading. Trimming some on Apple. Nice short on Apple. Coin explodes. Coin explodes from last week. Congratulations everyone, the target was hit, $60. Now I'm trying, we are short on IWM and Apple. I'm trying to be patient here with the trades. I'm trying to be patient here with the trades. Okay, trying to be patient here. Trying to be patient. I'm not chasing any of these moves. Trying to be patient here with the Apple short. Also IWM, we are short on IWM. Trimming some on IWM. IWM fading. IWM coming. So we are short on Apple and IWM. IWM coming. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming some. Nice short on IWM, guys. Nice short on IWM. IWM coming. So we start the day shorting Apple and IWM. SPY new lows on the day. SPY new lows on the day. SPY new lows on the day. IWM coming. Nice short on IWM, guys. Nice short. IWM coming. Come on, a little bit more. We are short on Apple and IWM. Trimming some more on IWM. So we are short on Apple and IWM. Amazon fading. Amazon fading. Some fading on Amazon. Amazon some fading. Amazon some fading. Amazon coming. Amazon some relative weakness on Amazon. Amazon relative weakness. Amazon is weak. Amazon is weak. Amazon still weak. Amazon still weak. I sold Apple. I sold IWM. Okay, Amazon trying to bounce. I got back into some IWM. I'm back into some IWM puts. Okay, IWM fading. Okay, trimming some on IWM. I got some calls on Amazon. Got some calls on Amazon. Meta filled the gap at 168. So I have some puts on IWM and I'm long on Amazon. Amazon, let's see if it plays catch up. Amazon, we have some calls on Amazon. Okay, Amazon pushing. Needs new highs on the day on Amazon. I'm long on Amazon and short some IWM puts. Amazon playing catch up. Come on, some more. Amazon going. Need some more, guys. So trying to be patient here with the trades. We are short on IWM and long on Amazon. Amazon needs new highs on the day. IWM needs new lows on the day. How it's gonna be? Boeing, some fading. Some profit taking on Boeing. Amazon needs new highs on the day. Come on, guys. Here we go. Push. Amazon going. That's it. 20% gains. Okay, Amazon, we need above 116. Above 116 can go into 118. Here we go. Amazon going. Come on. So I'm still holding my edge on IWM puts. It's my edge. With patience. Amazon so far 20% gains. Let's see. Boeing, some fading. Big move on Boeing, some puts on Boeing now. So I'm short on IWM and long on Amazon. IWM, come on, fading. Trimming some more on Amazon. IWM fading. Nice on IWM. Okay, trimming some on IWM. Take trades, guys. Take trades. Really hard to anticipate where we are going from here. That's why I have an edge on IWM with some puts on IWM. If IWM goes below 175, can fill the gap at 173. But Amazon recovering here from 114 needs above 116 to go. Qualcomm goes green to red. So Qualcomm, some relative weakness. So careful with the semis. Micron also goes green to red. Okay, let's see if Amazon is able to break above 116. Above 116 we have 117, 118. Come on, Amazon. Amazon coming. Come on. You can do it. Here we go. 30% on Amazon. Here we go. Here we go. Amazon coming. Bring it on, guys. Here we go. Amazon coming. Push. Amazon into new highs on the day. Come on. Just a little bit more. Amazon coming. Here we go. That's it. New highs on the day. Trimming some 40% gains. 40% gains on Amazon. Nice one. New highs on the day. Amazon going. Roadblocks, some bull flow on roadblocks. So I'm long on Amazon, short on IWM. IWM is my edge. It's an edge, guys. It's an edge. The main trade is Amazon. Amazon coming. That's it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Amazon going new highs on the day. Amazon going. Come on, just a little bit more on Amazon. Amazon needs above 117, guys. So far, nice longs on Amazon. I have an edge on IWM with some puts. It's an edge. I already trimmed some of the gains. I'm trying to manage the rest. Buying fading. Buying some fading. Some profit taking on Boeing. Boeing coming. Bear flow. Amazon needs another push. Amazon needs another push. I head to the IWM edge. So I took some gains on IWM, then I'm heading again a little bit more on IWM short. Once again, it's my edge. It's an edge. I'm trimming some more gains on Amazon. So we are long on Amazon calls and I have an edge on IWM puts. Roadblocks going and making new highs on the day on bull flow. So IWM, trying to be patient here. IWM is an edge on those puts. Amazon pushing into the highs. IWM coming. Here we go. Nice one, guys. Nice one. IWM fading. IWM fading. Here we go. Nice. Nice one. Cash flow, guys. Trimming some. Cash flow. IWM. That's why we have the edges, guys. Cash flow. So Amazon Nice on those calls, IWM, nice on those puts. Now we wait to see if it's going to roll over or not. But it's hard to chase these moves. Amazon pushing. Amazon pushing. Come on guys, new highs on the day on Amazon. Here we go, new highs on the day on Amazon. Come on, let's make 50%. Come on. 150. 150. Here we go. Here we go. Trimming sum at 150 on Amazon. 50% gains. Nice one. 50% gains on Amazon calls. IWM riding the puts. IWM riding the puts. IWM coming. Come on guys. Buying new lows on the day. Buying new lows on the day, following that bear flow, profit taking. It's normal after such a big move as we saw last week. Rolling over now, some profit taking. Now on IWM, I'm still holding the short on IWM. So trying to be patient. IWM coming. IWM coming. IWM coming. Nice one on IWM, guys. Okay, trimming sum on IWM above 1. Nice short. I sold Amazon, took the gains. IWM coming. So we are short on IWM, guys. We are short on IWM. So far so good. We made on Amazon calls, we made 50% gains from 1 to 150 on IWM. We have been playing with the puts on IWM and those are working well. AMD also fading now. Okay, AMD some fading. Some bear flow on AMD. Some fading. Okay, IWM. We need IWM below 175. IWM coming. Okay, NVDA. Okay, NVDA, let's see if it fades a little bit. NVDA some fading. I got some puts on NVIDIA. So we are short on IWM and NVIDIA. Okay, here we go. We are short on IWM and NVIDIA. Coin 61, big move on coin following last week calls. Congratulations to the longs. So NVIDIA some profit taking. Okay, we are short on NVIDIA and IWM. We are short on NVIDIA and IWM, guys. NVIDIA coming. Here we go. NVIDIA coming. Come on. That's it. NVIDIA fading. Just some more. NVIDIA fading. NVIDIA coming. So we are short on IWM and NVIDIA, guys. We need some more. Buying new lows on the day. NVIDIA coming. We are short on NVIDIA and IWM, guys. We are short on NVIDIA and IWM. Trying to be patient here with the shorts. We are holding puts on NVIDIA and IWM. So some are fading. Trying to be patient. Some are fading. Okay, trimming some on NVIDIA, 20% gains. So we are short on NVIDIA and IWM, guys. Meta also fading. Meta fading from the eyes. NVIDIA coming. NVIDIA coming. So and here we go. Here we go. That's it. Come on. Here we go. Spiny lows on the day. Nice shorts, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, guys. Push it down. Trimming some on NVDA. Trimming some more on IWM shorts. Nice short on IWM. Also NVDA. IWM, we have been able to manage the edge, okay, but so far so good. So sell algos. Nice shorts, guys. Nice shorts. Come on. Come on, push it down. Push. So we have the morning gaps to fill. Morning gaps to fill, so stay tuned. Boeing going to fill the gap. Boeing to fill the gap on that bear flow. So Boeing was also a nice one. IWM coming. NVIDIA coming. So we are short on IWM and NVIDIA, guys. IWM going into the lows of the day. NVIDIA also coming fast to the lows, okay? We need below 162. On NVIDIA below 162, watch the gap to fill at 157. Okay. On IWM below 175. Watch gap to fill at 173. Tesla, I'm not playing Tesla, but if you notice, big rejecting at 750. So I'm trying to be patient on the rest. So far is what I usually say, cash flow. Okay, you look for ways to generate cash flow. Meta coming and fading. Meta fading. So yeah, I'm holding the shorts on NVIDIA and IWM, guys. And from there we see. Coin stalled at 61, so some bear flow now on coin. Was nice on coin. It was from Friday, from 55 to 61, so congratulations. Roadblocks also fading. Roadblocks also fading. So I'm holding the shorts with patience. I'm holding the shorts with patience, and from there we see Apple coming down once again. Apple needs below 150. We have a big level at 150 on Apple. If it goes below 150, can go into 147 Apple. Semilan has been fading. Okay, we saw Qualcomm big fade. We saw Micron also some fading. That's why I shorted NVDA. Okay, that's also why I said to lock gains on AMD. Now we are seeing Apple. Okay, Apple fading. Apple needs below 150. Below 150, basically it's gone. So we are short, we continue the short, NVIDIA fading some more. We continue to hold the short on NVIDIA and IWM. Amazon now fading again. Some hardware flow on Amazon. So I'm trying to be patient here with the shorts on NVIDIA and IWM. So far the shorts are playing well. Now let's see if it's able to make new lows on the day to try to fill the morning gap. Microsoft also stalled at 260. So some profit taking on Microsoft. The time to enter on the Microsoft was on Thursday. Okay, not today. On Thursday we played long on the bounce. Today you take your gains, in my opinion. IWM needs below 175. Microsoft fading. Microsoft fading. Apple is weak. Apple is weak. Apple needs a move below 150. Microsoft is weak. So Apple, Microsoft weak. Tesla rejected the 750. It's also going to have earnings this week. As you know, I don't like to gamble into earnings. So no trade there. Boeing fading into the gap. Meta also. Meta has a gap to fill at 164.98. Okay, IWM needs below 175. So I'm holding the shorts with patience, but we need new lows on the day for some more continuation. Microsoft is weak. Microsoft with some big bear flow. Yeah, Microsoft going. Microsoft going. Microsoft fading. I'm trying to be patient here with IWM and NVDA. So just as reminder, we got shorts on IWM and NVDA. IWM needs new lows on the day, guys. Needs new lows on the day to go into the gap. Amazon also coming now. Trying to be patient here with the shorts. Microsoft keeps fading. Microsoft is heavy, okay, and also seeing bear flow. Microsoft fading. Microsoft still heavy. NVDA needs below 164. NVDA needs below 164. IWM needs below 175. Market getting choppy now. Choppy mess. Microsoft still weak. Boeing still weak. Boeing going to fill the gap. 149.74. Microsoft also weak. Okay, so IWM. Choppy mess. Choppy mess. Microsoft coming. Microsoft diving. Microsoft coming. Microsoft fading fast now. Very, very choppy, guys. I sold the rest on NVIDIA. Looking for possible re-entries. Okay, I trimmed some on AMD above 83 from $73 entry into the long-term account. I'm riding the rest. Okay, NVIDIA bouncing. Okay, trying to be patient. Coin holding 59. IWM still holding 175. Choppy mess. NVIDIA, it was a nice one, but then it bounced. IWM was a nice one, but it bounced. Microsoft continues to see relative weakness on bear flow. Tesla bouncing once again into the eyes. Microsoft is very weak. Microsoft new lows on the day. Microsoft new lows on the day. Microsoft remains very, very weak. Choppy mess. Microsoft keeps fading on that bear flow. Microsoft very, very ugly. Apple goes up, goes down, goes nowhere. No man lands. Microsoft is very, very weak. Apple trying to fade again. Apple fading. Apple some fading. Okay, I got some puts on Apple. Microsoft very, very weak. Microsoft very weak. Not much to do here, guys. Not much to do. Okay, IWM fading again. Okay, I got back into NVDA puts. Amazon fading. Amazon fading. Amazon some fading. Let's see if it goes. Okay, I got some puts on Amazon. So we are short on Apple, NVDA and Amazon. Trying to hold with patience. Microsoft still very weak. I'm holding the shorts on NVIDIA short, Amazon and Apple. So NVIDIA just makes a lower high. NVIDIA lower high intraday. So we are short on NVIDIA, Amazon and Apple. Here we go, guys. Here we go. NVIDIA coming again. Second move. Let's see if it breaks. So I keep trying to be patient here. We are short on NVIDIA, Amazon and Apple. NVIDIA just made a lower high. Needs to break below 164 to try to go into 162. On Amazon, we need a move below 115. On Apple, we need below 150. 150 is the line on the sand on Apple. We need below 150. NVIDIA coming now. It was a nice entry on NVIDIA. Now we need a break below 164 to try below 162, make new lows on the day. Microsoft continues to show the way. Okay, relative weakness on Microsoft. Apple coming. Come on, guys. Boeing keeps making new lows on the day, filling the gap. So trying to be patient here. IWM fades again, following the morning puts. Okay, waiting here on NVIDIA. The semis are heavy, so watch out. If NVIDIA goes below 164, you watch 162 and below that. 160, 157, those are the levels, and our puts can have a skyrocket move. NVIDIA coming. If you notice, we are short on tech. Why? Basically because we are seeing heavy on semis. We also seeing Microsoft at the lows of the day. Okay, very heavy. We are seeing Boeing filling the gap. So they filling the morning gaps, and on semis are very weak. So that's why I'm insisting on the short on NVIDIA. NVIDIA is one of the strongest, and it should play a catch down in my opinion, but let's see. So on the morning we have Qualcomm selling, we have Micron selling. So now let's see if NVIDIA breaks below 164 and roll over a bit. Once again, in my opinion, the time to buy was last week. Okay, same thing on Microsoft, as I've told you. The time to buy was on Thursday when we bought. On the way up, you trim your gains. Okay, so that's why today it's hard for me to chase this gap up. That does not mean it's an easy short. We have seen it. That's why we manage the risk, and yeah, we got some nice cash flow in the first hour. Then we waited a little bit more, and we re-entry once again on those shorts, and from there we see. Okay, NVIDIA coming, needs below 164, break it below 164, you have 162, break it below 162, you have 160, break it below 160, you have 157. Okay, NVIDIA coming. I'm trimming some more on NVIDIA, 20% gains. So NVIDIA coming. Come on guys, break it down. Break it down. Microsoft keeps fading. AMD now fading. Okay, there is a reason why we bought AMD at 73 and we sold it at 83. Okay, we took gains at 83, $10. You don't buy when it's $10 up. You take some off and raise the stops on the rest and keep riding until your stop get hit. So that's how we trade. You don't buy the highs, you buy the lows and sell when everyone is buying. Amazon trying to hold 115. It's a big level, 115. Needs below 115 on Amazon. Shopping mess. Shoppy mess. Not easy, guys. Not much follow through continuation. It's hard to buy longs. But the shorts also hard, so it's hard. I'm trying to be patient, but this is a mess. NVDA still trying to hold. Jesus. What a mess. Not much to do. AMD pushing. AMD is strong. AMD is strong. Okay, I sold the rest on NVIDIA. Very shoppy, Jesus. I had some more on Apple, but yeah, it's going, and tricky place. Okay. Tesla pushing back up. SPY really stalls, so not much to do here. Jesus. I had some more on Amazon. IWM still weak. But not breaking down. This is tough. AMD is pushing higher, so AMD is one of the strongest. Boeing still weak, trying to fill the gap. Microsoft still weak. It's a mixed bag right now. Hard to go long, hard to short. What to do? What to do? IWM fading. But not falling apart. AMD new highs on the day. Amazing, the strength on AMD. AMD new highs on the day. Tesla squeezing. Tesla squeezing, so they will keep squeezing, but they push it back up, push it back down once again. It's tough. Very, very tough. Yeah, on Tesla, that's ugly. They push it, make new highs on the day, and give it all back. That's not pretty. Microsoft still weak. Relative weakness. On IWM, no man lands. AMD, they push, make new highs on the day, but not much. SPY doing nothing, 387. Cubes also stalled. IWM trying to fade now. What to do? What to do? Okay, we are looking for clues on what to do next. Apple some fading. Apple some fading. Microsoft is one of the ugliest ones. Keeps showing some relative weakness on Microsoft. IWM coming now. IWM coming now. Microsoft fading. Apple. Let's see if Apple fades some more. Apple fading. Okay, Microsoft coming into the lows. Microsoft new lows on the day. Microsoft new lows on the day. Very choppy. On Tesla, that was ugly. Push, makes new highs and give it all back. I had some more on Amazon shorts, so I'm holding the Apple shorts. Okay, Microsoft keeps fading. Microsoft keeps fading. Microsoft keeps showing the way. Microsoft keeps showing the way. New lows on the day. I'm still short on Apple and Amazon. Apple needs a push down. 150 is the biggest level. So I'm short on Apple and Amazon. Microsoft fading, keeps fading. Microsoft almost red. Microsoft almost red. Okay, SPY at the lows, 387. The gap fills at 385. Microsoft diving now. Microsoft diving. Boeing also at the lows. Boeing filling the gap. Microsoft. IWM. Trying to be patient, but not easy. Lot of squeezes. Microsoft is very weak. NVIDIA failing now again. Very slow and choppy. Apple getting heavy. Tilray spiking. Tilray spiking. Tilray spiking. CGC also. CGC going. CGC also going. CGC going. Okay, I got some calls on CGC. CGC going. CGC going. Okay, CGC new highs on the day. CGC going. Okay, I trim Apple. I sold Amazon. CGC, new highs on the day. Amazon going now on bull flow. They held the momentum on Amazon. Tilray, let's see if it goes. CGC. So holding for now Apple puts and CGC calls. Apple coming. Apple fading. Apple fading. Apple some fading. Still trying to hold the Apple short for now. Holding the Apple short. Apple fading. Apple fading. I sold CGC, did not go. Apple fading, come on. Apple coming. Okay. Apple making some nice cash flow. Come on. We need a fade. We need a fade. But there is a relentless bid on this market, trying to squeeze and push higher once again. So let's see with patience. We are holding the puts on Apple with patience. Tesla all over the place. Not much to do. SPY flatline. This is amazing. SPY flatline 387. So yeah, it shows how the market is right now. It's impossible to go long, it's impossible to go short, because the market is just stuck. Amazon actually now, Amazon new highs on the day. Amazon new highs on the day. Amazon going now, new highs on the day. Okay, I got some Microsoft calls. Sold Apple. I head to the Microsoft calls. Let's see if it bounces. So we are long on some Microsoft calls now. On Apple, I was able to save those puts, but yeah, they basically did nothing. It's very small gain there. Boeing now bouncing, did not fill the gap, bouncing up. Very slow and choppy, guys. Microsoft trying to bounce. So Microsoft going. Microsoft going. Okay, Microsoft going now. Microsoft going. Let's see, with some patience, Microsoft needs above 260 to go. Apple still holding, stock holding. I'm not chasing Apple, really. I closed the puts, it was the wise thing to do. AMD also new highs on the day. Amazon new highs on the day. CGC bouncing back up. CGC resuming back up. Coin new highs on the day from last week. IWM keeps going. So yeah. If things do not go down, they go up, pretty much. They keep squeezing. Apple. Microsoft bouncing. Meta new highs on the day. Microsoft bouncing. CGC spikes up, new highs on the day. CGC keeps going, congratulations. CGC has room to go into 290, $3. Microsoft coming. Trying to be patient here with Microsoft. Microsoft needs above 259. CGC keeps going on following our calls. Congratulations to the longs. CGC going. CGC going. Amazon 117. CGC keeps going. CGC keeps going, squeezing up. Coin going, new highs on the day. Meta going. CGC explodes, guys. 260. CGC going fast now. Well done. Congratulations. Congratulations to the longs on CGC. Nice move, guys. SPY resumes back up. SPY resuming back up. CGC going fast now. There's room to go into $3 CGC. Here it goes, CGC. CGC just explodes. Congratulations. Let's see if it goes some more. CGC. Microsoft resuming back up. Meta new highs on the day. Tesla fading again. This is all over the place. Amazon. Congratulations to the longs. Microsoft resuming backup. Microsoft. Microsoft resuming backup. Microsoft pushing. Trimming some on Microsoft. So we are long on calls on Microsoft. It's basically trim and trail, guys. CGC, it was a nice move on those calls. Coin keeps going. Coin keeps going. Okay, Microsoft needs above 259 to try to go into new highs on the day, above 260, 84. So we are holding calls on Microsoft. We basically bought when the stock was at 257. Now let's see if it's able to resume into new highs on the day. Microsoft, if it goes above 260, we have 264, 265 as the biggest level. CF moving down. CF, guys. CF. Bear flow on CF. CF falling apart. CF falling apart. Okay, holding Microsoft calls for now. We are going to wait and see. Needs a move on Microsoft above 259. CF very ugly move down. We have NTR, also some fading, and we are holding Microsoft calls. Microsoft going, pushing Microsoft. Trying to be patient here with Microsoft. We are holding calls on Microsoft, guys. Meta pushing into new highs on the day. NVDA resuming back up, so yeah. We tried to short did not work, it resumes higher. That's pretty much it, and basically why I got into calls on Microsoft. If not able to fade down, then it goes up. Meta going. Meta 170. Has a gap to fill at 175. The gap on Meta fills at 175. Let's see. We have AMD, NVDA, Meta at the highs. Let's see if Microsoft is able to play the catch up. That was pretty much the reason why I bought calls on Microsoft. If price does not go down, it goes up. Microsoft, some are pushing. Come on, guys. Here we go. Microsoft coming. Here we go. That's it. That's it. Well done. Trimming some on Microsoft. Trying to be patient here. But so far nice gains on Microsoft. Microsoft going. Here we go, guys. Microsoft coming. Nice gains. Nice gains. So on Microsoft we need a move above 259. Above that we have 260. Above 260 you watch new highs on the day, and above that we have the biggest level 264 to 65. CGC pushing. We got calls on CGC earlier. They are pushing nicely, those calls. So congratulations to the longs. Microsoft needs some more, guys. NVDA, we tried the short, that did not work, we closed, and it was the wise thing to do. New highs on the day. Microsoft coming now. Nice gains on those Microsoft calls, guys. So yeah, if extends, needs above, once again, needs above 260 to try make new highs on the day above 260.84, and above that 264 to 65 is the level. Microsoft going now. Microsoft going now. Nice gains, guys. Here we go. Microsoft coming. Come on, push. Push. Microsoft squeezing. Microsoft coming. Nice gain so far on Microsoft, guys. Trimming some on Microsoft. Take trades. Take trades. So as I was saying, Microsoft above 259, we may look for 260, above 260 makes new highs, can make new highs on the day. 260.84, and above that the next level 264, 265, and that's the next biggest sell point. On NVDA we tried the short did not work, so big gap and go. I was looking for the gap to get filled on NVDA, did not happen. 170, we have all the way into 170, 173. That's one of the levels. Apple, we also tried to short, that did not work, extending up. Very hard for me to chase Apple. I'm not chasing Apple. That does not mean it's an easy short. Keeps pushing higher. AMD 84, okay. We got long some weeks ago. We got long on AMD at it was at 70. It was the start of July. We got at $73. Right now 84, but it was into the long-term account. Okay, long shares. Keep raising. Okay, keep trimming. Keep trimming. Amazon, we tried the short here, did not break down. It held 115, push up, $2 up, 117. If it goes above 117, it can go 120. That's the next biggest level. Boeing gave some of the gains back, but did not fill the gap, so it shows some bull power here on Boeing. On CGC, we got calls on CGC, and it seems that they are going nicely now. They are going nicely. Basically, those CGC calls doubled. Okay, those CGC calls doubled. So congratulations if you held. It was a nice lottery ticket. Coin, on Friday I mentioned long on coin, going for the target at $60. Right now it's at 63, so congratulations to the longs. IWM, we tried the short because it was at the biggest supplies on 176, but it did not break down, so keeping my eyes here, keeping open-minded. It's a little bit overbought, but overbought can remain overbought. Meta also was looking for 165 gap to fill, did not fill the gap, held above 166, resuming at 170 as a gap to fill at 175 on Meta. Microsoft, pretty much the same. I was looking for during the fading, but saw that did not break down, did not got from green to red, also showing some nice oversold bounce. That's why we play the calls from the bottom, from 257 right now needs above 259 to go into 260, makes new highs on the day. Let's wait to see. NVDA, we tried the short, that did not work, and keeps squeezing higher, and it can go right now 168, we have 170, and all the way into 174, 175 can be the next logical level. The cubes, pretty much the same, gap and go. Okay, gap and go. It was not easy. They spent most of the morning with a very tight range, but they did not fill the gap down, so it means that it favors upside. The cubes have a gap to fill, okay, above 296.8. Watch 299.2 gap to fill. Okay, above 296.8 can go and fill the gap all the way into 299. SPY spent most of the day holding 387. It's not easy, okay, not easy, but holding the gap for now. Now we wait. Tesla all over the place, going to report earnings on Wednesday. So not touching, waiting for the next move. And CGC going, guys. CGC new highs on the day. CGC, congratulations to the longs. We got the calls. Okay, I can give you here. It was the calls to 2.5. Okay, we got here at 15 cents. They are right now at 33 cents. So yeah, congratulations to the longs on CGC. It was a nice lottery ticket. I closed mine, happens, and yeah, it keeps going. It has room to go into 290, $3. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We have 12 o'clock, almost lunchtime. So I'm closing the live trading session. It was extended. This morning it was not easy. I was looking for some fading, for some possible gap fillings. That did not happen. It was very tough with SPY on a very tight range. So what does this mean? It means that basically the calls and puts did not work. Okay, only for the option sellers. That's a way to clear the overbought conditions. Okay. It means that bulls are still active, holding to 387. I will only be bearish if SPY breaks below 387, goes fill the gap at 385 and goes below 385. Then I'll be bearish. Otherwise, be careful because they keep squeezing. But for example, on Apple, for my own risk management perspective, I don't like to buy Apple here. That does not mean it cannot go higher. Yes, it can, but I tried to short Apple. I closed I was able to save it. And very small gains, but still on the green. But it was not easy. But I'm not buying this. Okay, I bought Microsoft on the pullback. I bought Microsoft calls on the pullback, and I'm still riding. Okay, so so far so good. Needs above 259 to try to go into 260. And that can be one of the next names, and it's squeezing right now as we are seeing this live. And yeah, that's the only one that I'm riding right now, Microsoft calls. Microsoft last week, it was amazing. We bought the puts on Tuesday on Microsoft from 80 cents, and some traders closed following day at above $7, so congratulations. And on Thursday, I got long on Microsoft, and those worked very well. So congratulations to everyone. And now we wait to see. It's a choppy mess right now, hard to trust, but that does not mean you can short blindly. We are seeing that We tried some shorts, those did not work, and that's why we, for example, you look for weakness. As we saw early in the morning, we saw some weakness on Microsoft. I was looking for a rollover, that did not happen. So if does not break down, it should bounce. That's exactly what we saw on Microsoft. It bounced, making nice gains, not major, but yeah, nice gains. And that's the only thing that I'm holding. So I will let you know when I close everything. Otherwise, keep riding. If it goes above 259, 260, above that, it can go to 64 as the next biggest level, to 64 to 65. So with this said, I'm closing the live trading session, and I will keep you updated on Discord. Stay tuned on Discord. And if I see any new setup, I will also let you know on Discord. Okay, so stay tuned, stay safe. See you all later. Bye bye, everyone.